Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you in this video how to install the PostgreSQL database along with the PostGIS extension on your Windows system. So PostGIS extension is basically a special extension to the PostgreSQL database which enables your PostgreSQL database to store the geographical data. Geographical, you can say spatial data such as shape files, vector files, and raster files. So you can do all, which enables you to do the all the analysis, special analysis in the database. You can write queries for buffering, for in for intersection, for union, for zonal stats, all the area. You can compute areas, you can compute number of pixels. So all these things you will be able to do after installing the PostGIS extension. So first of all, and also you can use this PostGIS database to publish your data to any GIS server, such as geoserver, etc., to develop a WebGIS application. So first of all, we'll go on Google and type Google and just go on the PostgreSQL website. And on the home page, there is a download link. Just click on download, and under the download, there's options for Linux, Mac OS, Solaris. So we'll click on the Windows, and there is option for download the installer. Just click on that. It will give you the list of the various versions: 9.4, 9.5, 9.6, 10.7, 11.2. Whichever version you want to download, you can download. So for 11 version, I think only for 64-bit machine it is available. So if 32-bit machine, you have to go for 10.7 here, or 9 point, or below than that. So I'll go for 11.2. I have 64-bit machine. Just click on the download, so you'll be able to download. So I'll discard it because I have already downloaded this. I have already set up on my machine. Here it is, PostgreSQL 11.2. So I'll just double click it. So now the setup will start. I'll close this. Yes. Yes, there's a setup. Just click on next. It will ask you the installation directory. You can choose it, or automatically it will go in the program file. Just click on next. Just select all the components which you want to download. Then click on next, and now it will ask you the data directory. This is automatically going in the C drive, but you may change that. That depends. Suppose if you have very less space left on the C directory, so you can make it on DE or F, any other directory. You can change the directory. You can change the path using this data. So but I'm keeping it on C only. Click on next, next, and just install it. Setup is now ready to install. Now it is installing. So after installing this, we will install the PostGIS extension of this, which is a special extension, as I already told you. And then I will show you how to push the how to push your special data or shapefile vector data in the database. And later on, I will upload the video how to publish your special data, which are stored in PostGIS database through GeoServer. So in this video only, we'll go up to the installation of PostGIS database and the uploading of the data, uploading of the shapefile or special data in the database. So for most people use it for this the for WebGIS development. So they will what they will do. What they will do, they will use this database for storing the special data. They will publish it through the GeoServer, and then they will use some of the freely available APIs such as OpenLayers or GeoXT front-end API, JavaScript API, to design the front end, to add the tools, various tools, zoom in, zoom out, layer panel, legend panel, query panel, all these things. So it is taking a bit of a time to install. So now we have completed the installation of the PostgreSQL database. Now for installing the PostGIS extension, there are two options. Either directly you can go here, as you can see here it is written Stack Builder may be used to download and install the additional tool. So you can check that and make it finish. So it will open the Stack Builder. Welcome to Stack Builder. You select your installation which you have installed and you can click on next. So it will show you the download application list which all are available for downloading. Or another option is you can directly go on the sorry you can directly go on the Google, just type it here PostGIS, and you can download it from the website. No need not to download it from the Stack Builder. Just type PostGIS and go on its website. Just click on the download, and there's option for Windows download. You can see the page. Just click on the Windows download and just scroll down, and yeah, there is options, various options. For PostgreSQL 11 there is one setup, for PostgreSQL 10 there is another setup, for 9. So whichever version you are installing, you have to download for that version only. So we have installed the 11th version, so we have to download the for PostgreSQL 11. Just click on this, and there is a one folder called archive. Just go under archive and just download this one, PostGIS bundle PG for PG11 64-bit setup 2.5. Click this one. So if you click this one, it will download that. So I'll discard it because I have already downloaded this setup. It is there, PostGIS bundle PG11. So whichever version you are installing on your PC, just install PostGIS for compatible for that version. And also, yeah, under Stack Builder, it will if you are downloading directly from that Stack Builder, you can go like that. As you can see, the various categories are available under this. So we'll click on the Spatial extension. So there is option for 2.5 bundle, which you have already downloaded from the website. You can go on this and you can click on the next. It will download that. Yeah, it will ask you the download directory, then it will install. So I don't prefer this option because it will take a bit of a time. So what I will do, I will close this. I will directly down install from the setup which I have already downloaded. So I will double click this. Yeah, it is, just click on I agree. Yeah, here it will ask you to select the component to install. So it is already checked PostGIS. And second option is create special database. So we have to check this. So it will automatically create the database which is specially enabled. So you have to check that. Click on next and let it be default. Now it will ask you the password which we have given while installing the Postgres database, PostgreSQL setup. So just give that same password here. Leave the port number same, and username you can change or otherwise leave it Postgres. I leave it like Postgres only because it was Postgres there. Next, you can change the name of this. So yeah, I will leave it like this only, PostGIS 2.5 sample. Just install. So now it is installing the PostGIS extension to the Postgres database. Now it is asking, would you like to register for GDL? Just make it yes. just click yes, because it is asking for the support for all the drivers for the raster files, GeoTIFF, PNG, JPEG. Just click yes. Now it is creating the special database. Now it is showing completed. Just close this. Now just type, we'll see how it is installed. Just type pgadmin. It is coming as pgadmin desktop app. Just click on this. Now it is opening the PostgreSQL database. It may take some time because first time we are starting this post pgadmin server. Yes. Now it is opening on the this web browser. Previously it used to open on a separate window, but nowadays this latest one 11.1, it is opening in the under. So like it is showing PostgreSQL 10. I have already installed PostgreSQL 10, that's why it is showing. But latest we have installed Postgre 11, so we'll go for 11. If you have two versions, it will show you two versions, because I have already installed version 10 on my machine, that's why it is showing 10. But in your case it will show only one version. So what I'll do, I will click on 11 only. So it will ask you the password. So whatever password you have given while installing, just give that password here. Now just click, you can see there is a databases, just click on database. So two databases there, one is Postgres, one is PostgIS sample. This is the special database which has been created while installing the PostgIS. So suppose if you want to create any new database, just create any new database, give any name. Suppose I'll give test. Now while giving definition, it will ask you the template. So if you want to create a PostgIS special database, just select the PostgIS 2.5 sample template. So now this database will be automatically be the special. Enable it specially. Or you can table space, you can PG default, or you can save. It is creating the new database. Yeah. So this test database is the special one. So how to check this? It is special database. Just you can go any database. Suppose PostgIS sample. You go on schemas, go on public, and go under tables. So automatically spatial reference system it is there. So if these two files are there, it means it is special database. Mm. So I'll show you the another database. Suppose for Postgres, schemas, public, tables. There is no table in, inside of this. So it means it is not a special database. But if you go for the test database which you have created, also it is showing extensions, PG routing, PostGIS, all the extension it is showing. So this means this is also a special database. You can check the various functions here. It will show you the whole lot of functions here if you click on that. That's why it is taking too much of time. See, these are these are all the these all are all the functions which are already loaded in the database. You can use this database for the special for special analysis such as clip, buffer, count, aggregate, covers, crosses, distance. So these all are functions which you can use for the special analysis. So now in next step what we'll do, I'll show you how to upload the shapefiles in the special database. So we have two special database, PostgIS sample and test one. So just again you search post GIS. Show you the PostgIS shapefile and DBF loader. Just click on that. This is the GUI for importing or exporting the special data from the database. Just view connection detail. Just give the username postgrs, password which you have already given to access the database. Server is localhost, port is 543, and just give the database. I can give any database, which suppose I can give test here. Also I can give postgis 25 underscore sample, because these two are the special database. So I'll make it okay. So it is showing connection succeeded. It means now you can upload your data. Now click on the add file and just go on the path where you have special data stored. Suppose I have my data here, some of the shape files. Suppose I'll upload one shape file. This is India state.ssp. I'll open it. It will ask you the SRID. SRID is nothing but EPSG code. So I have my shapefile in spherical coordinate system, which is simple geographic coordinate system. So the EPSG code for that is 4326, that you can search on Google easily. Suppose you have shapefile in UTM zone 44, so you have some other, you will be having some other EPSG code for that. And you can give the column name, geometry column, any name. By default it is coming in geom. So just if you click on import, so it is showing shapefile import completed. So now if you go on this database schema, schema and public and tables, so just refresh it. Yeah, now it is showing one more table is added, India state. These are, if you click on that, so these are all columns there. State name, geometric, this geometry is your special column. So I'll show you what are the contents in the table. Just right click on the India state and view data, and I'll see first 100 rows. This is the data, GID, state name, and this is the geometry column. So like this you can upload your special data into the special database, and further you can do the special analysis. You can compute the area, you can do the buffering and all that things. You can, on the Google you can go and you can ask, you can search for the queries. Otherwise under the functions, a lot of functions are given. So friends, you can go and right click here and you can write any query under query editor. See, these all are the functions which are already available. See, I'll show you few of the overlap, raster contain. Whole lot of functions are there for the analysis. What you can do later on, I will upload few of the videos to show how to do the analysis, how to write a query, special query. So whenever you create a new database, just select under the definition the sample, the template for the template PostgIS sample, the name of this database. So our test database is also a special database. So if you want to export, same thing. You can go on this, just add table. So these all are special table are available. So it is showing public India state. Click OK, and if you want, if you click export here, it will ask you where you want to export this. If you go on, suppose on E drive, open, so it is exporting. So from now what it has done, it has exported the shapefile already in the database to your machine. So suppose you have some you have uploaded some special data in the database, you have done some query buffering or anything you have done, and you want to export the result, then you can export that result on your machine. So I'll show you in my E drive. See this one, India state. It has been exported to this path. So that's it from this video, guys. In next video I will show you how to publish this special data which is stored under PostGIS using geoserver. So I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please comment on the video if you face any problem. Thank you guys.